Hi, welcome back to my channel GlowUpSkin. I hope you all are doing really well. In today's video, I will share with you how to use ginger for acne treatment. Acne is definitely not a life-threatening skin disease, but it has the power to make you feel miserable. However, do not panic and start looking for pricky treatments. A very common ingredient like ginger can help you to get rid of the ugly pimples. Ginger also has anti-inflammatory benefits that help a lot to heal the skin. Also, ginger juice works as a natural astringent and helps to dry out existing acne and pimples. Ginger, being an astringent, helps to purify the pores, draws out the impurities and tighten the pores. How to use ginger for acne? I will share with you simple and easy home remedies. Remedy number 1. Simple ginger juice remedy. Take a small fresh ginger root and peel it. Add some water and blend together. Apply the juice to the acne affected parts of the skin and let it stay for a few minutes. Rinse off with plain water and repeat it daily. Remedy number 2. Turmeric and ginger for acne. How to use? Grate an inch of ginger knob and extract juice from the grated ginger. Take a tablespoon ginger juice and half tablespoon turmeric powder to that. Mix together and prepare a paste. Apply this paste on the acne affected part of the skin and wait till it dries completely. Then wash off with lukewarm water. Repeat the remedy with ginger for acne daily. Remedy number 3. Use parsley and ginger for acne. How to use? Take 2 cups of water in a blender and add 2 tablespoons fresh chopped parsley to that. Strain and separate the liquid. To the same liquid, add 2 tablespoons minced ginger and blend again. Pour it in a spray bottle, shake the bottle a bit, and here is your anti-acne facial spray ready to use. Remedy number 4. Drink tea with honey and ginger for acne removal. How to prepare? Take 1 cup of hot water and add slice of ginger in it. And mix a tablespoon raw honey. Drink while it's still warm. Repeat twice in a day. I hope you liked the video. Please click on like button and subscribe my channel and hit bell icon to get notification of all videos.